So we are going to unbox this coffee maker. It's from Keurig. It's a Model K compact black. So let's see what's inside. Right, first off is the manual, a quick start guide, and let's see here. Oh, my light just went off. That's all right. Now let's see. Try to open this. All right. Let's see if we can do this. I think it's better to open the whole thing here. Slide it out. There you go. So yeah, so it comes in one piece. All right. So it was placed in a sideways position. So this is must be the base. Let's put it upright, and we can just remove the cover, and there you go. So first off, our cable, power cable that goes here in the back. Got all the controls here, and this is where we put our K-cup. So this K-cup probably replaceable, and so I wonder if we can use a holder here for ground, just like my bigger Keurig coffee maker. We'll see the manual if that can be used for. I know this would be replaced to use the ground coffee granules, but we'll see. Anyway, this is the water container. So basically that's the basic. Not much. This will be removable, I would say, to clean and drain the water here. What else? This looks like this can be removed. Why is there tape? I don't know. So yeah, can remove this. So that's how you put water, is to take the lid off, put water, close, turn it on, and you have the selections here. It's just basic. There's no LED, so it would light up if there's it needs water. This would probably be red. If you run out of water, then you put water. Yeah, it's just basic. Compact coffee maker. That's what it says. So this one, I guess you can remove this. Let's see. So yeah, yep, you can drain or clean it. Yeah, other than that, That's about it. Not much. I'm gonna give this a try. Make make some coffee, and yeah, it's just there's no other options like hot water or any other options. Just a simple, you know, make and run kind of a coffee maker. All right, I think that's it. Thanks.